Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I was building my new streaming PC and I was doing some cable management and everything, and I hit the power button and the power supply let the magic smoke out. Literally shot sparks out the back, and sadly I did not have the camera rolling on it. I thought it was tasks that didn't need to be recorded, but I had to say MSI, their warranty was awesome. I called them up, said, let the magic smoke out. It's now dead. And they said, here's an RMA number. Here is a shipping receipt. It was fairly simple. I packed it up, shipped it out. Within a little while, it was back to me. This was shipped Wednesday, so it was pretty much less than a week. That is the RMA MSI Computer Corp. So they kind of pack like Amazon. Let's show you this box. I have not opened it. But now I'm going to open it. Let's commit this video right here. Here we go. Gotta get that down lower. Oh, did they send me a complete new one? Oh, I think they did. Wow. Yeah, because I've got my box. Let me go grab that here. I didn't send it. They said don't bother sending it in the original box. So, let's see, did the box change at all? Because this is my original box. They said don't bother sending it in the box, so I didn't send it in the box. So, that's my original box. So, let's see here. This is, I thought they were just going to swap out the actual power supply. So, well, that's kind of cool. It's a brand new one, not a refurb. Looks like a brand new one. Holy moly. Installation tips. Oh, that is... It looks like it's brand new. Zero fan mode. And the laundry's talking to me. So that's brand new power supply. They even send cables? Holy crap. I didn't need these. I got a whole mess of cables for this thing. Wow, that's an awesome warranty, MSI. That bag is sealed. Let's unseal this bag. Maybe I won't. I already have my whole set of cables. So. Yeah, that's cool. We got all the cables. Awesome. Well, I didn't expect them that they were going to send completely new power supply. And oh, we got screws. I thought they were just going to send, you know, like other companies, just send the actual part that failed. You know, sending all new cables and everything. That's awesome, man. Man, kind of makes me change my mind on MSI. I figure it's a pretty stand-up company to send you a complete new one with cables and everything. So I forgot the power cable. Well, that's awesome. Well, MSI gets a 5-star rating on this RMA. It was so simple. It was so easy. I have no complaints whatsoever. Thank you very much for watching. And that was my MSI RMA. It was simple. Catch y'all later.